This is how to use your Skrill account. In this video, you will learn how to receive and send money on Skrill. You can see I currently have over $11 and my loyalty points on Skrill is over 1,000 and my current status is through Skriller. This is your dashboard. When you click dashboard, you will see all this, and that includes your recent transactions and activities on this platform. To deposit funds on Skrill, click deposit. You can add money to your Skrill account in different ways. One common method of adding money to your Skrill account is using your credit or debit card on Skrill. If you have a debit card before, just like this debit card, you can change this card or add a new one by clicking change and your debit card will be added. As soon as your debit card is added, you click continue to add money to your Skrill account. You click continue. For the purpose of this video, I'll be adding $7.50. Don't forget, this is the minimum amount you can add and this is the maximum amount you can add using Skrill. That is over $5,000. And it is important you know that any funds you added using your credit or debit card cannot be used for gambling. So here you always click no. You click continue. This is where you have to enter the details of your card. The only detail you need to add is your CVV number. You click here and you add your CVV number. That is the 3 digits at the back of your card. After that is added, you scroll down and you click continue. This page will help you review your transaction. You can see the amount of deposit you are making and you can see the fee that will be charged. The total amount is this. Then you scroll down. You have to tick here to ensure that you agree with the terms and conditions. Then you click add USD. You do the proper verification, then you submit the transaction. Submit. My account is debited and the deposit is successful and $7.50 is added to my account, and you can see here my balance has increased. So that is how to use this deposit function. For you to withdraw your money on Skrill, you click withdraw. You can withdraw your money to your bank account, credit or debit card, and to Neteller. To withdraw money to your bank account, you add your bank. These are a list of countries. All you need to do is to select your country. Selecting Nigeria, that is because I'm in Nigeria. These are a list of banks in Nigeria on this platform. Note that you can only transfer to your domiciliary accounts of these banks in your various countries, and that includes Nigeria. You'll be able to input your account number and do the necessary confirmation. Then you add the bank. Then you can do your transfer to your bank. You can also transfer money away from this platform. You click transfer. You can transfer money by doing Skrill to Skrill account transfer, and the person will pay you your money on another platform. That is P2P transfer. I did a video of how you can transfer from Skrill to ATM. Watch this video. You'll be able to transfer your money to another Skrill user, and the same Skrill user will now fund your ATM account. And you know, when you get to ATM, you can transfer your money to any bank account, to PayPal, and to different payment methods of your choice. And you can do international money transfer on Skrill. You'll be able to send from your bank or card to bank account abroad. Look at it, no transfer fee and with a great exchange rate. You can also request money from third party. This person does not need to have Skrill account. When you click this place, you'll be able to send link to that person. As soon as the person click the link, the person will be able to deposit funds by using his or her card. You can also do exchange on this platform. This exchange will help you to change your dollar to your local currency. You select your country and you can do exchange from your dollar account to your local currency account using Skrill by choosing exchange. Then you can also do crypto transactions by clicking crypto. You can list your portfolios here. That is the list of your current cryptos that you are holding. You can list them here by clicking portfolio. You can access current cryptos data. That is the current price of cryptos, and you can now pick and trade any of your choice of cryptos. This is where you click to start trading in cryptos, and you can pick any choice of your crypto and start trading. And you can use this trade to buy and sell crypto using this platform. Clicking transaction will help you to view your recent transaction. You'll be able to view your transactions. If you click settings, you'll be able to do your proper verifications. That is to verify your account on the platform, input your details, configure your security settings, your subscriptions, and so many other activities that will secure your Skrill account online. To accrue loyalty points, you click loyalty points. When you trade, you earn points. When you send cryptos, you earn points. When you withdraw money, you earn points. When you deposit money, you earn points. When you use Skrill to make payment online, you earn points. Then you can see you can redeem your points. That is converting your points to real money that you can cash out. You click redeem points. To redeem your points, this is the exchange rate to redeem your points. You can only start redeeming your points at the threshold limit of 3,000 points. 3,000 points will give you 3 pounds sterling, which is equivalent to over $3 as at the time of this video. Please do me one big favor. Please subscribe to this channel, like this video. Thank you so much for doing that for me. You need to watch the next videos. The first one is my #1 recommended payment gateway, ATM, and the second one is Payoneer. Ensure you watch those videos and you see why they are highly recommended compared to Skrill. Thank you for watching this video and see you in the next video.